Okay, there's another cool thing I want to show you with the pen tool. I'm gonna do maybe a polygon. Let's say we'll make a square, or close to a square, maybe a rectangle. Now I'm gonna just shut this off. I'm gonna go to the node tool. Now, of course, you can drag any of these nodes to do what you want. But another cool thing is tapping anywhere on one of the segments. And you can drag that to do anything you want. You can make it a sharp corner, kind of looks like a house frame maybe. And you can take that and move it over here and move it over there. Okay, so I'm going to go over here to the shape tool, and we're going to do a rectangle. And I'm going to go over here to the node tool. And up here you have the option, and the previous videos I've talked about the convert to curves. Well, now, see this little triangle shape with the little nodes around it? This is called convert to curves. So just by clicking on that, you can now play around with the nodes on this rectangle or make more nodes. I mean, before you were able to do this or this, but now you can also do this. So you can make more shapes, play around like that. You can make that a smooth curve if you want to, like so. And yeah, so just wanted to show you how that worked. And another thing I forgot to show you with the lines is that if you click on one of these, you can also delete it. Thank you for joining me in this video, and in the next video we'll work on some Boolean functions. Please subscribe and like, and if you want to support the channel, consider making a donation, and you can also message me on there.